Vehicles are mechanical and they continue to wear whether you're financially ready or not. The components will wear out. It's a known fact. Parts fail. It's mechanical. The more mileage you put on the vehicle, the more wear and tear. It's as simple as that. In my experience, there are 4 types of cheap. The first and most obvious is cheap parts. More and more these days, we have clients and customers contacting us looking for us to install parts from various suppliers, Amazon, aftermarket suppliers online, Temu, whatever. And we simply won't do it. Here at my shop, we don't install customer supplied parts, largely because we have an agreement with our main supplier, Carquest Auto Parts. We install their parts, and that gives our clients peace of mind because everything we install from Carquest, for the majority, comes with our 36-month, 60,000 kilometer parts and labor warranty, meaning in the unlikely event that the component we install, like a water pump or shocks or premium brakes, fail prior to the 3 years or 60,000 kilometers, they get replaced free of charge, part and labor covered. Best warranty in the business. So that's what we promote here at my shop.